Hello friends, today my topic is QA or Test Manager Interview Questions and Answer Part 6. Friends, I am creating a series about the question and answer for the Test Manager. I will provide the link of that particular playlist in the description section of this video from where you can watch. Friends, in this video I am going to explain 5 interview questions with their answer. So let's start. Friends, in this video, I am going to explain these 5 interview questions with their answer. And the questions are: Question 1. How did you make sure that the quality given by your team is up to the mark or not? Second, explain me about your current team structure like hierarchy, roles, etc. Question 3. What are the basic terms you add in test strategy? Means you must have to explain the table of content. Question 4th, what are the basic terms you add in test plan? Here you also have to explain the table of content of your test plan. Question 5, how do you set the priorities for test cases? What approach do you use? So let's start every question one by one. The first question is, how did you make sure that the quality given by your team is up to the mark or not? Friends, we can be sure about the quality given by the team by performing the following action. And the actions are, first one is the track mistake. We have to track their mistakes and the solution whatever they provide. If they are not able to provide the solution, then it's responsibility of the test lead or the test manager to provide the solution. Second, the reporting. Third, the sprint feedbacks, and last one is the beta testing under the different team. So by using these particular actions, we can be sure about the quality given by the team. Next question is, explain me about your current team structure like hierarchy and role, etc. Friends, if somebody asks this question to me, then my answer would be, currently I am handling a team size of 45 resources and the hierarchy is like that. Here is the test manager, I am the test manager, and I have 5 team leads, and 2 team leads are basically for the automation team and the 3 team leads are basically for the manual testing. And I also have the 40 testers, 17 automation tester and 23 manual tester. So you must have to explain the hierarchy structure according to your team size. So let's move to the next question. What are the basic terms you add in test strategy table of content? Friends, this is very important question. So you must have to explain like this. A test strategy is basically created by the test manager. This document describes the following in details. First, test levels and test phases. Second, test design technique to be used. Third, test specification techniques. Fourth, test environments. Fifth, test automation. Sixth, test tool. Seventh, approach to retesting and regression testing. Seventh, test measurement and matrices. Eighth, test control and reporting. And ninth is the defect management. So these are the content that you must have to explain under the test strategy. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is, what are the basic terms you add in test plan? Means you also have to explain the table of content. Friends, this particular documents basically describe the following in detail. First one is the objective. Second, test case creation. Third, test cycle. Fourth, test environment and technology. And under the test environment and technology, you also have to put all these 3 items. First one is the hardware and software requirements, test environment details, environment change control. The fifth one is the test data. Sixth one is the test strategy. And under the test strategy, you also have to explain what are the different testing you are going to perform, like unit testing, integration, system, user acceptance, regression, sanity, etc. Seventh, test execution. 8, entry criteria. 9, functional testing. So under functional testing, you also have to explain all type of functional testing that you perform. First one is the regression testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, integration testing, black box testing, etc. 10th is the non-functional testing, and under the non-functional testing, usability testing and GUI testing. 10th is the bug tracking and reporting, and 12th is the severity and priority. So friends, these are the basically table of content of the test plan. You must have to aware about all these things. Now let's move to the next question. And next question is, how do you set the priority for test cases? What approach do you use? Friends, basically this kind of question asked by the interviewer to find it out that are you really working as a test manager or test lead or not. So we can set the test case priority according to the following approaches. First one is the coverage based test case prioritization. Friends, this type of prioritization is based on code coverage, means test cases are prioritized on the basis of their code coverage. Second, risk-based prioritization. Friends, this technique uses risk analysis to identify the area of the application that can fail. Therefore, test cases are prioritized. Keep in mind this problematic area. In risk analysis, given steps are performed. First, list potential problem. Second, assigning probability of occurrence of the each problem. And third is the calculating severity of impact of each problem. Third one is the functionality based prioritization. Some functionalities are more important than others, so are more critical in nature. Hence, test cases for such functionalities or requirements must be prioritized first. The following factors can be considered while prioritizing test cases based on functionality and requirements. First one is the customer set priorities. The customer set the weight to the requirement according to his or her need of understanding the functionality or requirement of the project. Second, developer set priorities according to the complexity of the functionality. Priority as assigned by the developer on the basis of efforts or time that would be required to implement that requirement. So friends, these are the approaches that I followed. If somebody asks this question, how you set the priorities of test cases, what are the different approaches, then you can explain like this. So friends, I have explained all 5 interview questions with their answer. If you like my video, please like it, comment it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any doubt or any query, then you can write me in the comment section of this video. I will try to reply as early as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.